Welcome to the R&J Machinery showroom. Let's get your demo started on the Altendorf F25. So here's the new Altendorf F25. This machine's a manual machine with a 3.2 metre sliding table, 1400 rip fence, mitre crosscut fence with manual positioners. Nice, easy to read scale with a clever extension piece and mag reader in the operator's position for the extension. 2 flip stops for repeatability. Nice solid built machine. Altendorf sliding table system. Very smooth, very heavily built. Double sub roller system, as everybody knows it. Hardened steel rollers with double dumbbell system in the middle. Very solid, very heavily built. It'll last a long time. As I say, the rip fence is manually adjustable, nice and smooth, working off the scale on the fence. We can flip the rip fence over to 2 different positions to help with angle on the blade. The saw guard can go from 45° to a narrow guard when doing 90 cuts very easily. And the control for the rise and fall and the angle is through these hand wheels on the front, both of them with digital readout. Single digital readout works for both the angle and the rise and fall of the blade. The machine starts stop buttons down here, start the main blade, start the scorer blade, and we've got a scoring blade safety device with LED light strip on the saw body. So everybody knows when the scorer is running. It's a nice safety feature.